This is a 3 to 5 lead-up basketball game called Polyshot Basketball. And the object of this game is to get students to be able to shoot from different spots and also to be able to dribble a basketball. The court will be set up kind of like this. The yellow circles represent hula hoops, and inside the hula hoops will be buckets and the different types of balls that will be used. The orange circles represent the poly spots, and each poly spot will have a different number on it that will indicate different values for different points. The rectangle in the middle will be a box filled with noodle slices. So the object of the game is that the students will dribble from the hula hoop to any poly spot anywhere on the court. It could be to the goal closest to them, or it could be the goal on the other end. And also, if you have side goals, it would be a good idea to use those too so you can get in more shots. And this is how the game will work. The students will dribble to the goals and land on a poly spot. Each poly spot will have an index card with a number on it. Students will shoot the ball from that poly spot to the goal that they are at. If they make it, that means they will look at the number and they will dribble to the middle to get noodle slices. Say if they land on a poly spot that has 2 on it. If they make the shot, they'll get 2 noodle slices and they'll bring them back to their line and place them in their bucket. If the poly spot has a number 4 on it, if they make the shot, they'll get 4 noodle slices and bring them back and put them in the buckets. If they do not make it, they will simply just bring the ball back and get at the end of their lines. The thing is, the students cannot run with the ball. They must dribble it. First, I will probably do a time limit of 5 minutes, and then the students will count their noodle slices, and at the end, the team with the most noodle slices will be the winner of that round. And you could play this for many different rounds. Some modifications to make to the game could be to use different types of balls that bounce. You could add more poly spots, take away some poly spots, make them dribble with their right and left hand so that they get practice with both of them, change the values on the poly spots, have enough stations so that there are no long lines, move the poly spots closer if the students are struggling to make it easier, or move the poly spots further back to make it harder. Some skill cues for this game would be dribbling with the hands, shooting the ball, running with the feet, keeping your head up so you don't run into anybody, following through after the shot, and bending the elbows when you shoot. I think this would be a good game to get the basic skills, dribbling, shooting, being able to run with the ball. I think this would be a good game to establish all those skills. Hope you enjoy.